Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to group components in Figma. So let me firstly create two objects. Let me just place some kind of icon on my project, for example the folder, and I will also add a rectangle, for example. I did that not paste. Let me do it again. Paste it please. Okay. So now let me just make this a little smaller like that. So let's say we want to merge these two components, right? So group them. So how this is done? Of course, let's make them the components first, both of them. So let's make this one first, go to the menu, object, and make components. Okay, there you go. And this one as well. Let's do the same thing. Make component. Okay, and now how to merge them together. Okay, so the first step you can do this is you can just highlight them both, and you can go in the layout and use auto layout, and this will basically, as you can see, put them together like this very simply, and it will turn them into a frame. And one more thing that you can try to do, let me just revert it back, is of course once again highlight them, and then you can turn them into mask. So as you can see, use as mask, and they will be merged together once again. But of course, these will have to be fitting objects. So let's, for example, you want to merge the folder with this background rectangle. You just highlight and then use as mask. So that's how you can basically merge them together and group them. Let's, for example, say you want to make this a certain color and you want this folder to blend in. You just pretty much choose them together once again and use as mask. And auto layout as well. So that's pretty much how this is done. Enjoy guys. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you soon.